Jadavpur University 2020. Established in 1955, Jadavpur University or JU is an institution offering students a wide variety of undergraduate and postgraduate courses. The university has been accredited with the A grade by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAAC) and ranked at number 17 on the NIRF table. Welcome to College Suggest. In this video, we're taking a look at Jadavpur University's student stats, courses, its performance in graduation, placements, median salary, top recruiters, infrastructure, and of course, the fee structure. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications on your favorite college details, college comparisons, courses, careers, and more. As always, we will only consider the facts that are submitted by the college to the NIRF for the 2020 ranking. We'll leave the link in the description below. Teaching, Learning and Resources. Under Teaching, Learning and Resources, let's look at Jadavpur University's approved intake, its student strength, faculty information, and financial utilizations. Jadavpur University has an approved intake of 1,233 seats for its UG 4-year program, 160 seats for its dual degree program, 492 seats for its PG 2-year program, and 183 seats for its PG 3-year program. The institution has a total of 6,106 engineering students studying across all years. Jadavpur University has 315 faculty members, with 90.47% of them holding a doctorate. The faculty-to-student ratio stands at 1 faculty member for every 19 students. 10 of the faculty members received highly reputed national and international awards last year. Also, 8 students won international awards. When it comes to capital expenditure, this institution has spent over 18.12 crores as capital expenditure. A huge share of 44.37% was spent on the purchasing of new lab equipment. The operational expenditure for the last academic year was 120.6 crores, where the major portion of 65.31% was spent on salaries. With this, Jadavpur University has scored 53.73% in Teaching, Learning and Resources, which contributes to 30% of the overall NIRF score. Research and Professional Practice. Under this segment, let's have a look at the PhD students, patent details, and funds received through various projects by Jadavpur University. Jadavpur University published 3 patents and one of them was granted. The institution has 1,214 students pursuing their PhDs and 133 students from the institute graduated with a PhD in the last academic year. A total of 114 sponsored research projects brought in over 36.14 crores as sponsored research funds. From 2,668 consultancy projects, it received 20.66 crores as consultancy project funds. With this, Jadavpur University has scored 62.04% in research and professional practices, which contributes to another 30% of the NIRF score. Graduation outcomes. In this parameter, let's have a look at the institution's graduation and placement percentages along with salary packages and top recruiters. UG. The institution offers 15 UG programs. While looking at Jadavpur University's UG programs, among the 1,072 final year students, 890 students graduated within the minimum stipulated time. This gives the institution a graduation percentage of 83.02%. 132 of the graduates chose to study further. Among the 758 students eligible for placements, 748 got placed in various top companies, giving a placement percentage of 98.68%. These placed students were given a median salary package of 8.3 lakhs per annum. When we look at the UG program's performance, we see that the graduation percentage has slightly improved, while placements are consistently maintained. Dual degree. The institution offers 3 dual degree programs. Among the 148 final year students, 127 graduated within the minimum stipulated time. This gives the institution a graduation percentage of 85.81%. 12 of the graduates chose to go on and study further. Among the 115 students eligible for placements, 110 got placed in various top companies, giving a placement percentage of 95.65%. These placed students were given a median salary package of 8.5 lakhs per annum. This shows both graduation and placement percentages of the dual degree program have improved from the previous year. Jadavpur University provides 20 post-graduation courses in the engineering streams. For detailed information about its PG courses, do visit the link in the description below. Recruiters. Some of the leading companies that hire students from Jadavpur University are Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Qualcomm, Cognizant, Adobe, Flipkart, Zomato, L&T, and Samsung. With this, Jadavpur University has scored 76.45% in graduation outcomes, which contributes to 20% of the NIRF score. Outreach and inclusivity. Under this category, we will look at just how diverse Jadavpur University is. The institution has a total of 6,106 students on its campus. It is a cultural confluence with 4,924 of the students from within the state, 1,118 students from outside the state, and 64 students from abroad. The overall engineering student count includes 87.77% of boys and 12.23% of girls. With this performance, Jadavpur University has scored 40.45% for outreach and inclusivity, which contributes to 10% of the NIRF scores. Perception. Under this topic, let's look at the perception of the college from the public and its peers. With a good impression, Jadavpur University has scored 51.61% in perception from the public. Perception contributes to 10% of the NIRF scores. Considering the scores in various parameters, the college stands with an overall score of 59.23% in the NIRF framework. Admissions. Admission to engineering UG programs will be made based on the performance of applicants in JEE. Location. Jadavpur University is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. The nearest railway station is the Sealdah railway station, which is 10 kilometers away, and the nearest airport is the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, which is 24.5 kilometers away. Campus life. The large 67.6-acre urban campus houses specialized labs for various streams of engineering. It also has hostel facilities, art specialization clubs, entrepreneurship incubation centers, and various other amenities. Jadavpur University's library has over 6 lakh books that serve all the knowledge needs of the students as well as the faculty. Jadavpur University conducts Sanskriti, an annual national inter-university cultural meet with various cultural activities to bring out the talents of the students. Jadavpur University promotes sports activities and ensures student participation. It has national and international players in taekwondo, rowing, kickboxing, rollball, wushu, and more. Fee structure. The fee structure for UG courses is approximately 2,400 rupees per annum. Please note that the fee structure mentioned is subject to variation. The overall fees for an undergraduate course stands at rupees 9,600, and recruiters offer a median salary of rupees 8.3 lakhs per annum for placed students from this institute. This means that you can earn back your fees and perhaps a little more in less than a year. Upon looking at all of the facts and the performance of Jadavpur University, here are a few of the best points to make note of. Jadavpur maintains its placement percentage, which shows the institution's academic excellence. It has talented faculty members and a healthy student-to-faculty ratio. It offers a better salary package to place students. There you have it, that's all you need to know about Jadavpur University. What other interesting college reviews would you like to see? Let us know in the comments section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.